Haami, we're recording.
Oh yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to our new video where today we will be using Lego to have a competition.
So the competition is going to be 10 minutes and the topic is going to be space. And
Spaceship.
gonna be spaceships.
He's a subscriber. He's awesome.
And you guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that notification bell. So, apart from that, let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start. Haami, give us a countdown. In 3, 2, 1,
go!
And the 10 minutes starts now. Guys, the time has officially started, where it's 9 minutes and 41 seconds. So I'm just going to do a quick, about 5-second time lapse of my one. So as you guys can see, I've already started on it, so yep. Hi everyone, I'm back. Here's my build here. We have officially got 4 minutes and 17 seconds left. And here's Haami's. Over here, his one's looking real cool. Let's go over to it's really nice. So me and Haami are going to continue building. And we'll be right back with you. Okay, you guys, here are our buildings. So we have my one, which is number 1. It's okay, you know. Decent spaceship, got a little door where you can go into. No seat. And if we go over here to Haami's, just bring this one up there. So it looks pretty cool. One's sort of like a skinny ass rocket ship. Pretty lame if I say myself. Only one flame.
She's an unfinished rocket, good.
This one, you know, it looks like a piece of junk. What the heck is that on the front? I have no idea.
What?
And you guys, drum roll please.
You won.
I win! Yes! What does this skinny little thing have on me, huh? Look at it. It's like a stick.
What kind of gene is this? A fat one.
This my one's proper. Guys didn't see anything.
Fly to the middle of space and your wings fall off.
What is that? How is that gonna take down a spaceship?
It's not. It's just there for a crane.
Eh.
Well, yeah, you can take that off, but mine still beats yours.
So, you guys, I've officially won the Lego.
The Peter wins.
The Lego building competition. No. I'm just gonna eat that over there. But you guys,
not one.
You guys can vote down in the comments on who won. If it was the skinny stick or the amazing rocket ship, huh? You guys can say yourself. So please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Apart from that, Lawson Brothers are out.